Thank you, Joel. So, what is the biggest problem of cancer patients? Resistance to therapies due to ineffective treatments. She is Maria, Alex's mother, one of our partners here at Imagineif program. She was diagnosed with metastatic kidney cancer, but unfortunately, she developed resistance to this therapy, and she was treated for more than 6 months with an ineffective drug. Imagine spending 6 months suffering because cancer treatment is painful, only to find out it was for nothing. And this is the reality in the majority of cancer patients, one that we in Angiotheragnostics are trying to solve. So we have identified a new therapeutic target and a patient selection biomarker. And now we are developing a new drug to prevent therapy resistance and a new biomarker able to select resistant cancer patients, also known as a companion diagnostics. This is our in vivo proof of concept, in where you can see when we inhibit the target in the blue line, we are able to prevent therapy resistance. And this is our biomarker. In the red line, you can see that we are able to select resistant cancer patients. So we have a novel target, a novel mechanism of action, and a new biomarker. Moreover, our technology is protected. Our lead indication will be second-line treatment for metastatic renal cell carcinoma patients, because it's an attractive market and also it's an orphan disease. So we could benefit from the orphan disease designation program. What we want to do is create a spin-off to increase the value of our product and develop a new drug with a biomarker of patient selection, and then arrive until phase 2 clinical trials. And then we will have an acquisition by a large company. This is our investment plan. We need $500,000 to continue with the lead optimization process and arrive until preclinical phase. We are looking for financing and investors to drive our scientific ideas into clinical stages. Angiotheragnostics has an excellent combination between an attractive asset, a good scientific expertise, and a business-oriented team. Moreover, our project has a high impact, a potentially high revenue, and is the only selective therapeutic option that you will see today. At the end, we want to improve the life of cancer patients affected by therapy resistance, patients such as Maria and many others. So next time when somebody asks what the biggest problem of cancer patient is, you wouldn't say therapy resistance. Thank you.
So great pitch, Gabriela. So it's now time for question time. Each judge has right of one question. Yeah?
All right, thank you. So you've told us that you have identified a new target.
Yes.
Could you tell us something about the target, because you didn't say anything about it?
No, because we have to maintain the IP protected. We don't have the target protection. That's why I cannot say anything, but it's a metabolic pathway involved in metabolism of the cancer cells.
All right, thank you.
Just one thing, your team, I see that, could you go to the slide about the team, please?
Yes, of course.
Yes, is about so.
Yes.
Your future CSO, future CEO, future CMO, that means that you don't have the company already?
Already, yes. We are just a project. During this year, we will build our company.
Okay, thanks.
Regarding the funding you are looking for, can you go to the...
Yes.
So, I'm sorry, how much do you need to go to phase 1?
To phase 1, 2.5 million. Well, 3 million.
No, in total, from the creation to the company to the end of phase 1.
7.5.
7.5?
Yes, because it's an orphan disease and we have the tax reductions and we don't need too many patients.
And do you have already the labelization of an orphan disease?
Yes.
Going into around that theme, is there any other indication that is possible to address with this target or not?
We think, yes, it's probably could be useful for other type of cancer, the aggressive cancer that have this metabolic pathway altered.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks a lot, Gabriela. So it's now